You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you that you're going to learn from so much. It's pronounced Elon. It comes from Hebrew, originally Jewish name, meaning oak tree or little oak tree. Elon. Some may pronounce it also as Elon. How do you say it yourself? Let us know in the comments and where you're from. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.